Hey everybody, welcome to Master and None Garage. This is a really short video. I just wanted to give you guys a little tour of my buddy's shop. I'm going to give you guys a little tour of my buddy's shop and some things I've been working on. I didn't film, but some things I've been working on as well here. So here we go. Alright, so we got this Punisher Bronco, and he's done all the body work to it. Like he'd made the hood scoop. He had his stop it, cat. He had his buddy do this this piece. He also had this piece done, and then he welded it in there. The whole theme of this Bronco is obviously the Punisher, which is a pretty cool theme. And I think he's done a really good job. He's almost done with it. He's made little fiberglass covers that actually cover this, kind of like military style. It was sitting for about 3 years. He had me drain the fuel tank, put some premium in it. He had me wire this switch right here, which controls the light bar in the front bumper. It's got a little hidden light bar up there. So on to the next vehicle that I had fun working on. It's this what was that, 1965 SWAT truck, P30?
Yeah.
Okay, so it used to be a SWAT truck. Where?
In Georgetown.
In Georgetown. So it used to be a SWAT truck, and he's actually turning it into a tailgate vehicle. And he had me do the brake system, the front disc conversion kit. And that was a pain in the ass. So we did the front disc conversion. Curran and I modified a bunch of things on that because it wasn't a direct fit, even though we were told it was a direct fit. So here's the other side. It has actually first gen S10 brake calipers. That's what they use. Let's see, I'll show you the back. So he's got a beer tap right there on the side, passenger side. Let's see. Got the palmetto tree, the state tree on the state flag. And here's the bar. He's got a stereo system in this deal, and also that's the bar top. It flips up. There's a stereo system, speakers. There's some lights up there. It's still a work in progress, but he's doing all the insulation. He did these walls. You got a flip up bar, table right there, and then yeah, on this door as well. So it's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. A lot more to do on this. I believe he wants me to wire the truck and some other things, I believe. But I'll do whatever he wants me to do. There's the inside from the front. It's a inline 6 Chevy Power. I put this Willwood brake system in here. Put some light on the subject. I installed this master cylinder. It's a Wilwood master cylinder with the modular reservoirs. Connected the brake pedal to it. I actually plumbed the whole brake system. We made it out of this stuff. This copper brake line. It's probably the best stuff I've ever used. Easy to work with. But this kit was terrible. We had to replace the rubber lines because they're garbage. They wouldn't seal. But that's the SWAT truck. So I picked her up, and now she's just loving life. She's just like really heavy. Yeah, she likes me. Yeah. Say hey to the peoples. Yep. Look at this. She's just a plump. Yep. Say hey to the little peoples on the YouTubes. Okay. Back to what we were doing. So that was the SWAT truck and the Punisher Bronco. Thanks for watching this little short episode of Master of None Garage. I'm Andrew, and shortly I'll be uploading a scrap metal Millennium Falcon build, and then hopefully I get some ink in and I can finish part 2 and hopefully the final part of the American flag build. So till next time, like, share, and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.